You ready?
Yeah.
Is it wide?
Yes.
Right. And this is how you could do a roadside pour over. Filter wet. I'm gonna go and set up the jet boil. This will take a second.
Okay.
Do the gas.
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared.
That's going.
Oh, is it?
Look, see right there?
Yeah.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we just have it on the boil. While that is heating, we're over here. And 2 good scoops of this is about 26 grams, which is perfect size for the 14 ounce.
That scoop came with the air press.
And today we're using an Ethiopian from Cultivate Coffee. Good stuff. So now we wash our coffee. Hey Barbara, how do you feel about the roadside coffee experience? You think it's gonna be good?
Yes. I'm glad to have a break. An outside break from my allergies. Everything's blooming. Who gave you this idea?
Did you?
Yes.
Well, because one day we were sitting in Starbucks lines like 10 minutes, and there was still 4 cars ahead of us, and I was
It's
like,
longer than 10 minutes.
it was like 20. And I was like,
Interstate Starbucks lines are stupid.
yeah, and we realized we could have had coffee now. Oh, it's boiling.
Boiling.
Alright, time to turn off the jet boil. Did you get any shots of the actual thing down here?
What?
Did you get any shots of the fire there?
I think so.
It's okay. So we turn it off.
It's still hot. Oh, it's just the reflective.
Actually, right here, for my first pour. Try to do it as slow as I can. So let that one flow. Had a little bloom to it.
Had a little bloom.
Close up for the next one. Easy. Coffee makes me happy. I'm not weighing it, so I gotta make sure it doesn't overflow.
Yeah. don't think you need any more
No.
water.
So I finished sifting through.
Yeah. Ta-da!
Take it off. Have a cup of coffee. Hot, but good.
Just like you.
Stop it. And we didn't have to pay for extra coffee.
Yeah.
It's a good choice. And this is how you could do a roadside pour over.